Hello, and welcome to the section Integrating Predictive Learning Model into Your Application. Let's get started with the first video of this section, ML Use Cases and Models to Make Your App Smarter. Azure ML Studio is a simple browser-based visual drag-and-drop environment that you can use to create predictive experiments, get insights from your data, as well as create operationalized web services on trained models. Before using machine learning, let's first talk about what it does. So, machine learning receives input data. The more data, the better the results. By learning from the repeated patterns in the data and by using statistical analysis, it finds a projected solution that solves a particular problem. This pattern is called model, and by using this model, you can predict future events. Let's take an example to make things clearer. Imagine you have a huge data set of the historical prices for the stock market. Now, you want to figure out what is the most likely price for a particular company's stock price. You can solve this problem by building a predictive learning model from the data you already possess. How? You'll see that in detail later on. When it comes to machine learning, you have two main techniques which are used to solve these problems: the supervised learning and the unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, you are given a data set containing the input values and the desired output values. What it actually does is it finds a mapping function that can predict the results for new input values. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, is used when you have little or no idea what your results should look like. You basically have no correct answers. And the goal here is for the machine to analyze the data and automatically recognize the most significant patterns. During this lecture, Azure Machine Learning Studio will be our tool to build, test, and deploy a predictive model. Using a predictive model, you can make your app smarter as it will be able to make useful predictions based on the user's data. Let us take another example. Suppose you have a shopping web app. By analyzing a user's shopping history, you can possibly predict which products or product brands the user prefers. So, using this predictive model, you can present more favorable items to your users.